This week we get an order for one of our name puzzles. This is how we made it from start to finish. First I had to prepare the vector files. I did this through Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, I prepare multiple files to cut since the puzzle is made of multiple components. After aligning the letters, I'm happy with the results, and we're ready to cut. We had a little hang up with our material, as in a few places there was a buildup of glue, making it difficult to cut. We had to do it the old-fashioned way. The knife work left some scars, so here I am applying some bites or wood paint to even them out. Time to glue together our component parts. Here I am putting on the clamps to make it stick evenly. These are our letter starters, some extra thick wood we paint and store for when we need letters in a certain color. Using a brush, we take off the thin soot residue. This puzzle is meant for kids, so this is a crucial step. We also spray them with a thin coating to seal whatever's left. Then we polish the letters. Each letter is cleaned to remove any excess glue. And we're done. Hope you liked it.